Here's a pair of the Soundcore V20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Fire TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds in the pairing mode. So let's go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case here. And then once I take it out and I wait for a few seconds, what I wanted to do is just start blinking blue slowly, which would indicate that it's in pairing mode. Okay, so mine's blinking blue. It's actually already in pairing mode. Now, if yours is not in pairing mode, oops, mine just stopped here. Okay, let's go ahead and put mine into pairing mode here, okay? So what you want to do is press and hold the logo here on top of both earbuds and press and hold for about 5 seconds, or just wait till it starts blinking blue on both of them. We'll do it together. Ready? Press and hold and wait for 5 seconds, or just wait till it starts blinking blue here. There we go. That's what we want. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to our Hisense Fire TV, and we want to go just click on the home button on your remote, and then you want to navigate to the settings, the gear icon on the right middle, right there. Oops. And now from here we want to go down, and we want to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Let's select that. From here we're going to go down, other Bluetooth devices. Select that, and now we want to go all the way down. You can see I have other headphones and earbuds paired to this TV here, but we want to go ahead and pair these now. Add Bluetooth devices. Now it's searching for devices that's in Bluetooth range, that's in pairing mode, which is 30 feet Bluetooth range, and these are in pairing mode. It did find the V20i's right there. Let's go ahead and select on that. And there you go. We're connected, ready to go. It says connected there as well. And it's connected. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put this in pairing mode, or you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.